Hello, everyone. What you're about to hear doesn't come only from theory, but from many years of hands-on work, testing, and solving real problems directly in our repair shop. The Er2 error on a Traeger grill appears when the system detects an incorrect temperature reading or a communication problem between the RTD probe and the control board. Simply put, the grill is not receiving reliable information about the internal temperature and shuts down to prevent cooking problems. At our shop, we often hear customers say things like, "The grill heats up, but then ER2 appears," or "the temperature keeps changing a lot before the error shows up." We explain to customers that this code is usually related to the temperature monitoring system and does not necessarily mean the entire grill is damaged. The first things we check are the RTD probe, wiring, and connectors because heat, grease, and moisture can affect the signal over time. As one of our technicians says, before replacing the control board, we need to confirm that the sensor is sending the correct information. We also make sure the probe is installed correctly and is clean. Some customers tell us the error appeared after moving the grill, cleaning it, or after several years of use, situations where a connection can become loose. If the probe checks out, we then inspect the control board because an internal failure can cause incorrect temperature readings even when the sensor itself is working properly. Traeger recommends checking the RTD probe, connections, and wiring when this error appears. So far, there is no known widespread defect specifically associated with the ER2 error.